Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alarik Al-Mubarak Marsendo. My study program is accounting. NPM 22412033. On this occasion, I will discuss perception and individual decision making. What is perception? Perception is the process by which individuals organize and interpret their sensory impression to give meaning to their environment. People's behavior is based on their perception of what reality is, not about reality itself. The next to attribution theory. Attribution theory is an attempt to determine whether an individual behavior is due to internal or external causes. Included number one, specificity refers to whether individual exhibit different behaviors in different situations. Number two, consensus. If all people facing a similar situation react in the same way. Number three, consistency. If individual react in the same way over time. The next two, errors and bias in attribution theory are divided into two. Number one, self-service bias, the tendency of individual to attribute their success to internal factors such as ability of effort, but blame failure on external factors. For example, the student get on an exam. They often say that they study hard, but when they don't do well, how does selfish bias come into play? Answer, whose fault is it actually when the exam in this school? They try to find a defense that the fault is not theirs. Number two, fundamental attribution error, the tendency to underestimate the influence of external factors and overestimate the influence of personal factors when making judgment about other behavior. The next, various kind of specific application of trails in organization are as follow. Number one, job interview. Interview usually created an initial picture that takes root very quickly. Number two, performance expectation. If a manager expects great things for his people, they are unlikely to disappoint him. Similarly, if management expect people to do little, they are likely to behave in a way that meet those low expectation. Number three, performance evaluation. An employee's feature is closely linked to the assessment of promotion, pay increase, and continue employed are some of the tangible outcome. The next, decision making in organization. Number one, rational, a decision making model that description how individuals should behave to maximize outcomes. We have a limited ability to process information. Most people respond to complex problems by reducing them to an understandable level. Many problems do not have an optimal solution because they are too complex. Today, look for solutions that are satisfactory or sufficient. Number two, intuitive. Intuitive decision making is an unconscious process created from experience. When is intuition most likely to be used? Number, there is a high degree of certainty. Facts are limited. Facts are unclear. Analytical data is not useful, and time is limited, and there is pressure to make a decision immediately. Okay, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.